Hello friends, today I'm going to fertilize my eggplant here with some neem fertilizer. So I am currently using neem bliss. This is the neem seed meal. So you can take about one maybe this pot full of dirt, or you can use the dirt from your garden, and pretty much about 50% of the neem seed meal. You can mix it well. Even if it is a little bit lower or higher in quantity, it will not really matter because neem seed does not burn the roots of your plants, so it's very safe to use. It also helps with the bugs, keeps the bugs away, as well as fertilizes your plant. So once it is well mixed, you can safely put it around your plants and then water as usual. Have fun.